Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power because safety matters. Flip the breaker and unplug the fan. Once done, verify the fan will not power up by trying the remote and the app. Make sure you have a screwdriver, hex key, and a cloth nearby to protect finishes. Keep a small bin at hand for fasteners. You'll save time and avoid shocks. Having the model number ready helps if any part is odd or secured with manufacturer-specific screws. Next, you remove the blades and light kit to access the motor and mounting. First, take off blade caps, then unscrew each blade while supporting it. Label screws so reassembly is straightforward. Once blades are off, lower the light kit, disconnecting the wire connectors. Press release tabs and separate gently. Use a soft surface under the fan to catch parts and prevent scratches. Doing this prevents damage to blades and glass and makes the motor, and you now remove the motor assembly from the ceiling. Support the motor with one hand, unfasten the canopy and mounting bracket screws, and lower the unit slowly so wiring remains intact. Once lowered, disconnect the fan wires from the junction box and cap them if the fan is permanently removed. Note color codes. Make sure to test the breaker to confirm the circuit is dead before finishing. If you hear a hum or see wobble after reinstall, check mounting tightness and wire connections as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.